Hi children, welcome back to our next class. Now, quickly we recall what you learned. 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree and 180 degree. 6 different angles we have learned, right? Now we are going to learn 22.5 degree. It also can be written 22 1 by 2 degree, okay? 22.5 degree or 22 1 by 2 degree. Okay. Now, draw a straight line. To draw 22.5 degree, we have to draw how many degree? 45 degree. To draw 45 degree, we have to draw how many degree? 90 degree. So, let us go first draw angle 90 degree angle. All of you know very well now? Yes? Keep the compass at point O, 90 degree. Yes? Keep here. One arc, again another arc. Yes. As we know, 90 degree is not our what we need, right? So, you have to draw which one? With dot line. With dot line. Now, we are going to draw what degree? 45 degree. To draw 45 degree, keep the compass, you know it, right? Keep the compass where the arc is meeting the side OP, convenient distance you take and draw a arc. Then, with 90 degree and say semicircle meeting, right? There another arc. Again, this arc also we don't want, right? This angle also we don't want. We want is only 22.5. So, this also with which one? Dot line. Okay. So, this is 90 degree, this is how many degree? 45 degree. Now, we are going to divide the 45 degree into again two parts. From here one arc and the 45 degree dot line and semicircle is meeting, right? Is that not? Keep the compass there, another arc. Where both arcs are intersecting, keep the dot and join them. So, angle POQ, how much degree? 22.5 degree. Angle POQ is equal how much? 22.5 degree. Okay. Next. Next, let us go for 105 degree. So, 22.5 degree you are done, learn, right? Yes. Now, let us go for 105 degree. Take a point O. Okay. To draw 105 degree, again we have to draw how many degree? 90 degree. Okay, children? So, keep the compass at point O. Semicircle or another arc without changing, one more arc. Where both are intersecting, join them. Sorry, dot line, right? Yes, 90 degrees. What we want is 105 degree. Now, children, here 90 degree. We need to get 105 degree. How many more degree we need? 90 plus what's equal to 105? 90 plus 15, right? 90 plus 15 is 105 degree. 90 is here, this is how much? Here 60, here plus 60, how many degree? 120 degree. So 120 degree, here 90 degree. In between 90 and 120, how many degree is hiding? 30 degree is hiding, right? So you split the 30 degree into two parts. Half of the 30 degree, how many? 15 degree. So 90 plus 15, how much? 105 degree. So keep the compass at 90 degree and one arc. After that, okay, if it is going very close to big other number, bring it little less. 90 degree and one arc. After that, from 120 degree another arc. Okay. Now, where both arcs are intersecting, give the dot and join them. Join that point and which one? Point O. This is common degree 105 degree. Angle POQ is equal to how much? 105 degree. Let us check whether it is 105 degree or not. Take your protector. Your friend is this side, so you have to count, right? Yes. 0, 10, 20, 30, 60, 80, 90, 90, 100, 110, middle coming, right? Middle is which one? 105 coming. So 105 degree also we have land. Okay. Now, board is not enough. So you have to do quickly. I am going to rub so that I can do the another constructions. Next is 120 degree. 120 degree. How to draw 120 degree? Take your compass. From point O, draw a semicircle. Semicircle, okay? You know what is semicircle, right? Okay. Without changing, keep here, same. One arc, again, another arc. That's enough. Listen. Semicircle. Semicircle has how many degree? What is the magnitude of semicircle? Okay, what is the magnitude of circle? Circle has how many degree? 360 degree, right? Circle has how many degree? 360 degree. Semi means what? Half. Half of 360 how much? Yes, 180 degree, right? Okay, that means semicircle has how many degree? 180 degree. So this 180 degree is divided into 3 equal parts. From here to here 60. Do you remember? 60. This is 60, right? Without changing, another 60. 60 plus 60 how much? 120. Without changing, keep here, another 60, 180. Understood now? So, here 160, here 160, here 160. 60 plus 60 plus 60 how many degree? 180 degree. Do you understand? So, okay. Now, so 60 plus 60 how many degree? 120 degree. Angle POQ. POQ is equal to how many? 120 degree. Clear? Now, we are going to draw 150 degree. How to draw 150 degree? One 50 degree. Okay. Now, P take a point O, keep the compass at point O, semicircle, right? How many degree? Yes, 60 degree. Again, another 60 degree, right? Another 60 degree. Okay. Now, we need 150. Up to here how many? 120. Here how many? 180. 120, 180. How many degree you have? 60 degree you are hiding here. So, the 60 degree you divide into, split into two parts. If you divide the 60 into two parts, how many? 30 degree, right? So, already 120 here plus 30, 150. So, 150 will be coming in between these, somewhere here, okay? So, middle. Keep the compass here, take any measurement, no problem. Take any measurement and cut an arc, okay? Without changing, another arc, from 120 another arc. Meaning we are going to divide this portion into two equal parts, where both are intersecting cross point. Then you join which one? This angle is how many? 150 degree. Let us check whether it is 150 or not. Take your protector. You know how to measure, right? 0, 10, 20, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it coming 50 degree exactly? Look at the protector. Yes or no? Yes. So, angle POQ is equal to degree? 150 degree. 150 degree. Okay. That is 135 degree. How to draw 135 degree? Draw straight line, take a point P, any name you can give, it is not necessarily be POQ, okay? Any name according to your wish. Your child, you can give your own name. Keep the compass at point O. Okay. To draw 135, we have to draw 150, okay? So, whatever you have done here, same thing we have to do. That's why I am not cleaning this portion, okay? I am keeping, we are same thing you are going to do. Without changing, one arc, again, without changing, another arc. Next, from here, one arc, again from 120, another arc, right? Now, you join them. But don't draw with a straight line, because we don't want 150, right? We want 135. So, dot line. Dot line. This is how many degree? 150 degree. Okay? Okay. But we are going to draw what degree? 135. Now tell me. Here is 120. Here is how much? 150. 120 to 150. How many degrees are hiding? Yes. How many? 30 degree, right? So the 30 divided into two parts. Two equal parts. We will get how many? 15. So 120 already we have plus 15. 120 plus 15 is how much? 135. So keep the compass at 150 degree, and the arc where it is meeting, one arc, and same that 120 degree, another arc. And where both arcs are intersecting, that point and center O. straight line. This is Q. How much? 135 degree. Angle POQ is equal to how much? 135 degree. Let us check whether it is 135 degree or not. Take your protractor. Yes. Okay, count 0, 20, 30, 40, 8, 90, 110, 100, 110, 120, 130, 130, 140 here, right? 130 and 140. Middle is coming 135. Is that no? Yes. So 135 also finish. Okay. Children, all the basic angles we already learned. First class we learned some angles. Second class today, second class what are angle we have learned? First is which one? 22.5 degree we have learned. Next which one? 22.5 degree. Next 105 degree we learn. Then 120 degree we learn. Then what? 150 degree we learn. Then what? 135 degree we learn. 5 angles we learn. Okay. Previous class 6 angle learn. Now 5 angles. So altogether 11 different angles. How to construct the different angles we already learned. Now let us go to the exercise. Okay. Exercise 9.11.1 construction. Construct angle of 90 degree. That's what we already learned. Question number 2. Construct angle 45 degree. Already we learned. Next, construct angles of the following measurements. 30 degree we learn. Question number 2. 22.5 degree we learn. Question number 3. 15 degree we learn. Now go to question number 4. What is the question number 4? Construct angles and verify the measure. Okay. How many degree? First one is 75 we learn. 105 degree we learn. 135 also we learn. Next question number 5. Question number 5 tells. Now go to the, so question number 1, 2, 3, 4 already we have done. Okay. Now let us go to the question number 5. What is the question number 5 tells? Construct an equilateral triangle given its sides and justify the constructions. Okay. Construct an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Type of angles already we learned in the lower class, right? Can you recall quickly what are the type of angles which you know? Yes? Isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, yes? Equilateral triangle, right triangles, yes or no? All those things. Isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. Scalene, none of the sides are equal. Equilateral, all the sides are equal. Yes or no? So, question is, construct an equilateral triangle. Means the angles, the triangles which has all the sides are equal in length. Okay. Now let us how to draw. There is no measurement given, right? Construct equilateral triangle only that much. There is no measurement is given. So we can take off our own measurement. Draw a straight line. You may give the name A. Okay. They are telling equilateral triangle, no measurement is given. So we are going to take our own measurement. You can take your own convenient radius. Okay. I am going to take this much. So you call, it's up to you. Keep the compass at A and cut an arc. Cut an arc. How much? For me, let me measure the scale. Yes, for me it is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, keep this without changing. Keep the compass at point A and upside cut an arc. Okay. Again, without changing, keep the compass at point B. Another arc. And so remove it. Now, where the both arcs are intersecting, give the name C. Give the name C. And point A and point C is joined. Okay. Without, again, point B and point C also is joined. Now, we want to know equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal, yes or no? Let us see whether it is equal or not. AB 6 centimeter, right? Keep the compass at the same point A, lift the pencil to C, whether touching or not. Yes, touching. AB is 6 centimeter, then AC also how many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Understood? Let us go to without changing B. Keep the compass at B, touch the pencil to C, whether touching or not. Yes, touching, right? So, all the sides are equal. Say 6 centimeter. So, it is an equilateral triangle. Now, if it is equilateral triangle, all the angles also must be equal, right? Let us see whether all the angles are equal or not. Keep the compass at, we are going to measure the angle A, okay? Angle A. Keep the compass at point A and bottom you know it, right? Okay. Now, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree coming, right? So, how many degree? 60 degree. Let us see whether angle C also 60, B also 60 degree or not. Keep the compass here. Now we cannot count from here, right? Because this side nobody is here, right? B, front of B is A is left side. So, from where is the front? Front is this side, right? So, from left side you have to count. Yes, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So, again how many degree? 60 degree. Now, we are going to two angles equal. Two angles if it is equal, third angle automatically it will be equal. But anyway, we will measure. How to measure? Keep the compass, the midpoint at this point C. The bottom line should be on side AC. Now, you cannot count from up because this side nobody is here, right? Front of C is A is at the bottom. So, look at the A, the front and count. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree coming, right? So, this angle also how many degree? 60 degree. So, AB equal to BC equal to AC equal how many degree? How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal how many degree? 60 degree. 60 degree. So, one exercise is completed. So, children, we'll back to the next period with next exercise. Okay. Till then, see you.